Good morning to everyone. This is Meghna from Narayana School, Yanam branch. Today, my topic name is about concurrent lines and my subject is mathematics. First, before going into the topic, we should know about point, line segment and intersecting lines. A point. Do you know what is meant by a point? A point is a dot with negligible radius. For example, here is a point. A point. On a map, we can locate a point with a location. And a line is a straight path that is endless in both the direction. Here, I have drawn a line. It is endless in both the direction. For example, time. Time is endless. So, and line segment. Line segment is a part of lines having two endpoints. And for example, line segment. For example, clock hands and intersecting lines. Intersecting lines are two lines that share exactly one border. For example, letter X, they share only one point. And concurrent lines. If there are three or more lines that pass through the same point, they are known as concurrent lines. For example, here I have drawn three lines. They are passing through a point. So, for example, I have drawn here L, M and O are passing through the point X. So, here point of X is known as the point of concurrency. And medians. Medians, a line segment joins the two lines with a line is called medians. And altitude. Altitude in a triangle of a concurrency is a point. I hope you have understood this topic. Thank you.